Okay, and here's how you do your block leak test. You take your test fluid, you fill it up to this line. You're going to take this little apparatus here and do a little sucky motion while this is fit tight around your radiator cap. So we're going to do a sucking motion up here. Let's see if I can reposition you guys a little better. There we go, how's that? So we use the apparatus, sucky, and if this fluid changes color, we have a blown head gasket, and we're not going to bother doing the radiator. Well, you know what, maybe I'll do it again, but then I'll do the head gasket in, and I'll keep this car, because she obviously doesn't take care of it. But we'll burn that bridge when we get there. So we're going to do quick test. 2 minutes is all this takes. Just fill it to the level, squeezy. If it changes colors, we have a blown head gasket. If not, all we have to do is the radiator, and then hopefully this thing will last until somebody crashes into it and totals it out. Alright, so now the engine's running. Put that in there. And let's see what we can see. You need to do this for about 2 minutes, but in my experience, if it's blown, it ain't going to take 2 minutes. You'll know pretty quickly that your head gasket is blown. This fluid will change color very quickly. So you can see a little bit of like vapor coming out, but I think that's just this stuff vaporizing. I don't think we have a blown head gasket. All right, that fluid's still blue. Hopefully you guys can see it. I mean, I got like a light on my head. I'm trying to aim in this direction. Like we're going down into the mines. But, yeah, so, alright, now we only have to do the radiator. Thank God. I'll make this its own video, I guess, the block leak test. How to check to see if your head gasket's blown. That'll be its own video. Which you'll know that if you're watching it, because you'll be like, why is this guy talking like he's making another video? It's because I am. It's how to replace the radiator. I'm not going to do this and that in the same video. So. Alright. Success. Back to the radiator then.